How to call on WhatsApp. You can start an audio or video call on WhatsApp in two ways. The first method is when you have a chat with a person. You can tap on that conversation. Here, you have two buttons on the top, audio and video. Tap on one of them to start a video or audio call. Another way is to tap on the Calls tab from the top. If you have not started the conversation with a specific person, to start the call, tap on the call sign from the bottom. On the contact list, select the one you want to call. Tap on Continue if you get this notice. Tap on Allow to be able to talk at the meeting. Now your call is starting. The same options that you have on the video call, you also have it on the audio calls. You can put the call on speaker. You can also switch audio calls to video calls. Also, you can mute your microphone in the call if you need that. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.